guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today's video I'm going to be unboxing the March Bellabox, so let's get into it. May I just say, I'm loving this new packaging that they're doing. I am loving it. See, I think the new boxes are so cute. Admittedly, yes, it's in the end of an era with the old ones, but I think this look is so fresh and yeah, ready for a new decade. So let's look inside. So got the card and the products. So let's get into what's inside. So obviously the first thing I can see is some Biore Strips. This is a full-size product. It is the Biore Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. I've never tried nose strips before, so that's a fun product to include because I've never tried it before and I've never really thought to. Using Japanese technology, Biore's Pore Strips cleanse the skin deeply, cleaning out dry, dirt, oil and blackheads, results in clearer skin and fewer pores. Use weekly to treat blackheads as part of your cleansing routine. Dermatologist tested and oil-free, these strips are your perfect for all skin types. So there was a few different types of strips. So obviously I got the Witch Hazel ones, but there was original, charcoal, blue agave, and the Witch Hazel ones. So these is a full-size box, and it is $7.29 available at Priceline and Chemist Warehouse. So yeah, I actually like that product. It's something I've never tried before, so I'm interested to try it. And yeah, it's not a boring product. Like, I think I'll have fun trying that out. Next we have a lip balm. This is Graham's Natural Organic Lip Balm. It's a full-size product, $7.95, available at thegrahamsnatural.com, like the website. Keep cracked lips at bay with this essential Graham's Natural Organic Lip Balm. Have your lips feeling nourished and fresh. Its hydrating formula is enriched with vitamin E and natural plant oils. Plus, it's completely edible too. So you could have gotten raspberry or vanilla. I have raspberry. I don't plan on eating it. Maybe if we're desperate. But yeah, that'll be fun to try. I've just got so many lip balms, so it'd probably be entering the queue. Next, we have the product that is definitely very excited to have in this box. This is a Kat Von D liquid lipstick. So we also got to choose our shade. I got the shade Bow and Arrow purely because I saw Nikki Tutorials use it a long time ago, and I was like always interested in the shade and never got around to getting it. So thank you, Nikki Tutorials, for inspiring me to pick this as my shade. So there were 4 shades to pick from: Plath, Bow and Arrow, Sanctuary, and Melancholia. These are $28 available at Sephora. If you're looking for a lipstick that lasts, Kat Von D Vegan Beauty has you covered. This long-wearing, high-pigmented liquid lip boasts a smooth matte finish and lightweight comfort. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seeds. Its formula glides effortlessly and feels nourishing, made with no parabens, sulfates, or phthalates. So yeah, let's dig into this. So it's definitely a brownie sort of nude, but personally I wouldn't wear this just as it is. I'd probably mix it with like another liquid lipstick and do like an ombre effect, or just, you know, change up the lip liners to kind of change the color, or add a gloss on top or something. I do have some Kat Von D liquid lipsticks and some of their bullet lipsticks, and I don't mind them. So I'm so excited to have another one to add to the collection. That's what the color looks like. It's definitely a brownie nude. Kind of a safe choice versus, you know, the bright pink or the deeper colors. But yeah, I'm excited to give this a go and start mixing shades and seeing what lips I can come up with. But Bellabox, this is a great product to put in the box. And I'm so excited when I saw it, and I really hope that you continue to put products like this in the box, you know, higher end makeup products that we can find at Sephora or Mecca. Like, these are the sort of products you sign up for the box for. So I really hope they continue to add products like this into the box and brands like this, because this is really what we're trying to get into, and I really loved when they put this in the box. So great job on that one, Bellabox. I really hope you can continue to do stuff like this, because this is truly what we're signing it up for. So next we have an Alpha H product. This is just a sample, but the full size is 15 mils, $69.95 at alphah.com. Wow, that's expensive. So this 7.5 mils is probably $30 if the original was like 70. A lifting and perfecting serum uniquely designed to be applied to lash level and over entire lid to combat dark circles, shadows, and puffiness, hooded lids, and fine lines. Oh, it's an eye cream. I just thought it was a moisturizer. Oh yeah, absolute eye complex. Well, that's good. No wonder it's so small. I'm thinking this is not very much moisturizer, but it's an eye cream, so you don't actually need a lot of products. So yeah, that's actually interesting. I've never really dived into Alpha H, and looking at how expensive the full size is, I'm really excited to try this to see if, you know, such expensive products actually make a difference. So yeah, I'm actually keen to try that one. We have the world's smallest sachet sample. This is La Roche-Posay Toleriane Corrective Liquid Foundation. Oh, it's a foundation sample. The shade 13 Sand Beige. Highly likely it's going to be too dark for me. But yeah, I'll try it out, but I guarantee it's going to be too dark. They always are. And last but not certainly least, we have another Jinju mask. So I think we just recently got one of these, but we've got another one. This one is a Eucalyptus under eye mask. Oh, so it's an eye patch. That's fun because we got a full face mask last time. So this one is full size. It's $4 at Woolworths and Coles. Jinju's eye patches revitalize tired eyes with a refreshing formula, boosting moisture under the eyes, anti-inflammatory properties of eucalyptus calm the skin in this area, while cocoa seed oil helps to hydrate. So yeah, I love when we get those sorts of things in the mask. In the box, because, you know, masks are always fun to have and to try, and it saves me having to ever buy them. So yeah, I'm interested to try this one out. Yeah, especially with the eucalyptus. And we've also received a $10 voucher to Francescas Jewelry. So yeah, you get $10 off when you spend $50 in the month of March. So you've only got a week left to spend it, and you have to spend $50 to get $10 off. So I won't be using it, but if you're in the market for some new jewelry, this will definitely be worth checking out, because these pieces look amazing, right up my alley. You know, delicate necklaces with cute little chains on that, like little charms and stuff. So yeah, if I actually had money to spend on jewelry right now, this would definitely be up my alley, but it's just not I'm not in the market right now. So yeah, that is everything in the box. I have to say, based on the pictures that they posted online, I didn't look at them all very carefully, but I thought I was going to be disappointed, because I thought the only thing I'd like would be the liquid lipstick. But looking at all the products individually, I actually I'm impressed with this box, and not just because of the liquid lipstick. Like, I love when we get little masks and stuff. I think that's really fun. Obviously, a Kat Von D liquid lipstick, high-end product that costs more than the box itself. This should be in every box. Like, not this particular product, but like products like this should be in every box. And yeah, I feel like that's a standard they should be meeting every month. This sample, probably won't be able to use. It's probably going to be too dark, but you know, at least it's only the bonus. I don't usually count those in my evaluations of the boxes. This eye cream, considering how expensive it was, I didn't know what it was in the boxes, but I just saw that there were other tubes in other variations of the box that were bigger than this, so I assumed, oh, I'd want a bigger product. But considering how expensive it is, and the fact that you don't need a large amount of it because it is an eye cream, so this will actually last you a long time, I'm really excited to try it, because, you know, I'm aging and I need to, you know, try and keep my under eyes looking a little younger. As for the lip balm, it's probably the least exciting product in the box, just because I received so many lip balms. But my lip balm ran out today, so I could actually try this right now, because my lip balm, like, I got to the end. Like, I'm the person who actually finishes their lip balms. I don't just lose them halfway through. I finish my lip balms. So as much as I've got container full of lip balms to use, it feels like it's the perfect timing. So yeah, probably the most underwhelming product, but I don't hate it. So yeah, that's cool. And these Paw Strips, I'm actually excited to try because I've never tried Paw Strips before. And yeah, I think it'll just be fun to try. I have no idea about which Hazel or if any of the other variations of the strips were better or not. But I think just the fun with trying it is, worth it. So yeah, I am really happy with this month's box. Let me know in the comments what you got in your box and what you thought of the products, if you got in yours, or what you thought about what I got in the box. And yeah, let's have a conversation in the comments. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.